You know that moment when your document has 5 different font styles, 3 random spacing, and a paragraph that somehow went rogue? Yeah, that's what happens when you don't use text styles. Today, we fix all that. I show you how to format once and let Affinity do the rest automatically.
Let's start with the why. Textiles are formatting presets that keep your typography consistent across your document. Instead of formatting each paragraph manually, you apply a style, and if you change the style later, it updates everywhere. Think of it as having an obedient army of text. Change one commander, the troops follow. There are two main kinds you'll use daily. Paragraph style that controls entire block, font, size, spacing, alignment, and intents. Character style affect specific words or phrases inside paragraphs. Italic, bold, color change, and so on. Example, your body text uses paragraph style called body copy, while a quote inside it uses a character style called emphasis. If you change your body font later, the italic word still behaves. That's the beauty. Let's create one. Let's go to text styles. It should be on your right side panel. If you don't see it there, go to Window, Text, and Text Styles. Under Text Styles, you see those little icons here. Click on the Create Paragraph Style. It's this first one. Click it, and this window pops open. Let's give it a name. Let's do body main. Then let's do font size something big for this tutorial purposes. Let's do 60. Then spacing. Let's do 18. 2 points bigger than font. Then hyphenation. Use auto hyphenation. And you should change those settings for your language. But in English, the default is usually fine. Then let's go back to spacing and space after. Let's do 5 points and then click OK. And we can't write. Sorry, body. OK. Now body main. Select your text box and click on your new style. You see, everything changed. If you later change the style's font or color, every paragraph using it updates automatically. Efficiency level elite. Now let's create the character style. Again, under text style window, you see this A with a plus and it says create character style. Click on it and this window pops open. Here is a little trick based on, let's first give it a name, like something like Cent italic. Now character, let's leave it like this. Font width, let's give it Arial italic, and let's do something more. Font color background, let's give it the background color gray colors. Let's give it a blue. Let's give it a red background, and font color would be white. Right now it changes everything because my text box is selected. That's okay for now. I think that's good right now, and let's click OK. Now first let's say no style for character style. Let's select our emphasis word, emphasis right here, and let's give it the style we just created. And you see, it only changed the word here, but everything else remained the same. Let's talk about base styles and cascading system. Here's where it gets smart. Styles can inherit properties from others. When you create a new style, set the base style like body base. Then your substyle body intended, body no break, body highlighted can all inherit from it. So if you change the font or color of the base, all child styles update automatically. That's cascading formatting. It saves your hours in long documents. Think of it as family genetics. Tweak the brand and all the kids suddenly get new haircuts. Now let me show you what this means. Let's create a new style. Let's give it a body main test. Style based on body main. The first one. Font. This, let's leave everything like it is. Font size. Let's do 20 and spacing 22. Okay. And now body main test is Arial regular. Body main is Arial regular too. But now if you click on this body main and let's say you're gonna change it to Futuru and OK. And now if you go to body main test, you see it changed the font to Futuru 2. Have you ever formatted something manually and thought, actually, I like this better? You can redefine a style instantly. So what does this mean? Let's select this one paragraph and let's say we want it to be black, and maybe what else we can do? It to be like this, and let's change this too. I understand it's not prettiest, but just in this tutorial purposes, let's make those changes. And now you think like, oh, yep, that's the way I want to go. Then select it, go to your style. Right now it's the body main test, but you changed it and you like it, and now you want your body main test to look like this. Then select your body main test style, right click it and update body main test. And now it overwrited your old style, and it's now the style you just created and liked. If you regret it, undo works just fine. Even perfection needs trial and error. So let's take it back like this. And last but not least, group styles. To create the group style, go to this text style window, and here is this S and plus icon, and it says create group style. Click on it. Let's give it a name first, and here you can adjust any required settings and click OK. A group style acts as a parent or master text style, allowing you to create subordinate style based on it. You can create subordinate styles from the group style by selecting Create Style Based On from the Group Styles option menu. You can create subordinate styles from the group style by selecting Create Styles Based On for the Group Styles option menu, which instantly creates a style of type group, but can be changed to character or paragraph. So here is your group style. Its name is YouTube tutorial. Let's give it a new font. Book is fine. Font size 12. What else we want? Font color, let's do 100% black. And this didn't work. Like this. Okay. We don't want background color. What else we want to change here right now? Language. Let's give it English 2. Spacing. Let's do exactly 14 points. Let's give the emitter option. Okay. Let's do like. Now you have your master style. And now let's change the body main. Double click it, go to style, body main, based on your master style. Right now it's a YouTube tutorial for us. Then you can see nothing happened here. This is because under character, font family is Futuru. Here you just have to change it to no change. So this means that it takes its font from the master style and click OK. And now you see the body main is changed too, because it takes its info from body main.
Next time, we'll dive into Preflight, packaging, and printing. How to deliver like a true professional. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it, and remember, real consistency doesn't happen by accident, it happens by style.